Hello, Team High Standard in Mathematics. Okay, it's me, Mr. KDC again. So due to popular demand, today I would like us to look at how to shade sets. For example, you have a Venn diagram that has some sets already shaded. And now would like to pose a question. Rather, would like the learners to describe the shaded regions. Okay, so follow me. So always, as you start writing, before you start writing, always a layout, go to layout. Under the indent section, make sure that you have a zero. Okay, start at 0. Then come back to home. Under home, font type, I prefer Times New Roman to other type of fonts. And also I'll go at the font size, which is 12. So we start our question. Maybe our question reads as follows. So always drag this one back to the 0 indent left. Okay, then the question reads, describe the shaded regions in each of the following diagrams. Okay, in each of the following diagrams. Okay, describe the shaded, I think there's supposed to be something else. Describe the shaded region in each of the following diagrams. Diagrams. Okay. So the first one, maybe have part A. So in part A, I have 2 sets, a Venn diagram, 2 sets. So shapes, then we have something like this here. Then you remove the blue color, you put this one. Then you go to the shape, insert shape oval, you pick oval, you bring it here. Again, you remove the blue color, you put the white, you copy the same, and then you paste. Okay, and then you can see that it's overlapping the other. Now you go in shape, then no fill, like that. Now in this one, maybe I want to draw a certain like this, something like this. So I will color this one, the whole of this shape. I want to have A union B complement intersection. Yeah, something. You see the shape that I want to draw. So okay, I'll draw the whole of that. Okay, then I'll also, so I'll copy set A, copy it, and put it aside. I know why I'm doing that. And then I'll come here and I'll also go on sheet view and I'll do like that. So now the reason why I copied this one is so that when I come at A, first I'll go on A again, I'll say no border. Let me try if I say no border, see what we have. Nice. Then I'll come here, I'll put my set A back like that. Okay. So I have A union B complement like that. So then we know what to do to write letters. We go, let me go there. Some people complain that I move a lot. So I'm at home, like in the home tab, then insert, I'll go here, come here, I get A, then I write what I want. Union set. Okay, union E there, black, 12, new time Roman. I put there as usual, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. Then copy the same. I don't want to do the same, to repeat the same procedure. So I'll just copy this one. I'll write my set A there, copy the same again, and paste it. I'll write my set B there. So that is set B. So secondly, maybe I just want to go for part B. Yes, now for part B, we have three sets. So in these three sets, we have A union B, intersection B complement. So we are shading A union B, intersection B complement. So if I so wish, I'll use the same Venn diagram since I already have it. Okay, like this. Now we really need to remove the, okay, then I'll get this one and then I'll shade it like that. Okay, so this is for three sets, then you copy, paste like this, then like that. We have this one. So we adjust this one. Good. So now I want to shade this one, this region here, and that region here. How do we do that? So in the meantime, let us paste this one somewhere. Okay, we know why we are pasting that. So let us shade this one. Shade this one here, come here, shade it maybe that. Okay, then we come here, then we shade it again with that. Good. Now we come to shade A, set B. We go back on shapes. Then under shape view, we'll choose the white color. Good. So now we want to also shape C to disappear. So we say you click on set C, then you go here, you say send back text. Oh, not like that. We say, what's up? So we go here, send back text. Nice, send back to text. Good. So now these two sets again, can you hide the border? You hide the borders. So I'll hide, oh, I went somewhere else. Hide the border. Then you go on that, you also hide the border. Good. Then you get this guy now. You bring it here. That's the reason why we have to hide the borders. Okay. Then copy the same, paste it. Then you bring it here. Okay, like that. So this is the B complement. Yes, this is B complement. Then we have intersection A union E. Yeah, so likewise, we can have this one, whatever, however you describe that. Yes, but this is what I wanted us to shade. This is what I wanted us to shade. Then B, then we have this. Then I have this. Okay, like that. So the first one we said, is it, how can we describe this set? Okay, this is the, so A, this is the A union B complement. Yes, this is A union B complement. Then what about this one? Can we say this one is the, can we say Okay, can we say this one is A union C, then intersection, intersection B complement? Can we say that it is that? Okay, yeah, I think so, whatever the case. So that is the region. Now, sometimes we want to, for example, I want to shade this region, this one, and that one. How do we do that? So come with me. That will be our part C. That's our part C. Maybe we want to shade the region presented by the set A intersection, then A intersection B union C, okay? Or we can say O A intersection C, then union. Now that, this is the B, the one I showed you, the one I I said we should shade. So in this case, it will be A intersection B union, yes, union B intersection C. Yes, okay, the region we want to draw. So let us see how we can draw that region. So now using this same diagram, I can copy this. I can copy the same here. Can copy the same diagram like that, and then I want to use the same. Circles. Okay, want to use the same circles. I want to use the same circles to demonstrate, okay? So we have, this is set C, then this is set B. Now we want to shade this region, and that region. So in this case, we're not doing it automatically, but we'll do it manually. How do we do it manually? So, okay, so insert shapes, then you get on this guy, freeform shape, click on it, then increase the yes, the page there. Increase the page. The reason is simple, so that you are able to see how you are going to shade. Okay, so the freeform works like this. Wherever you start, just move it like be as accurate as you can, please. Yes, it's okay, so don't worry, but whatever you do, make sure that you stick to the inner circle and not the outer circle. Like that. So have you seen those spaces remaining? You click where it says edit points. So you edit on each point and you go on oh, come on. Okay, you edit on each point, and then was it space or shift? You edit on each point. Okay, edit on each point, and then we want to smoothen those points. So you edit on each point, then you go and delete point like this. Have you seen? So make sure that the points are being deleted. And as you delete each point, you find that that line is coming smoother and smoother. So you delete each of those points so that the line is on the boundary like that. Okay, so I'm not going to do the whole of that, but at least I've shown you what you're supposed to do. So you have to be deleting these points. Right click on each point, just right click on each point, and then you're going to delete points. So remove the boundary. So to remove the boundary, you go into shape outline, no outline, like that. Then also remove that. Yes, then come here, pattern. Yeah. So choose the pattern you want, like that. Now, as you can see, you find that these sets, you cannot see them, like here. Set C here is not appearing, set A also here is not appearing. So to do that, you go in this set, right click on the same region you have drawn, right click, then you go here, set back, and go to set back, like that. Still, we cannot see what we wanted. Still, we cannot see what we wanted. What about if we go on set back, like this? That one has come. Okay. We are remaining with the other side. Set behind. What about if we go on A itself? Come in front. Okay, if you want, if that is not the case, let us see if we can copy this ring here, copy it and paste it. Yes. Then we go and set A, we say no outline so that it disappears. Yes, then we can get this one and put it there. Yeah, that's another thing we can do. Yes, then this one, I remember we said no border. Yes, that one is no border. Yes. So you have the region that you want. Yes. So basically, that's how we shade the sets. Basically, that's how we shade the sets. And then you go ahead and write the letters using the text box. So this is the set B intersection A union C. Yeah, so you can shade any other type of sets that you may think of just using these methods that I have demonstrated here. Yes. If there's anything else that you use to shade, please, you are welcome to show us as well. As you know, learning does not end. Okay, but otherwise, these are some of the methods that we use to shade the sets. Yes, just a bonus maybe. Yeah, just a bonus. A bonus can be I have this, I have this, then I have this, I have this one here. Okay, then copy the same. Maybe I paste it there. Now this time around, it's set B, which is inside here. Okay, let me put it here. Yeah, I have my set A, which is like this. And the set A is shaded. Set A is shaded. Now, set B is not. Yeah, so I can just put it here. In this case, B is the subset of set A. Yeah, B is a subset of set A. Yes, so you can also have something like that. Yeah. Thank you very much. Please, furthermore, tell me what you want me to do. Yeah, for today, we end here. Thank you.